How to use split screen mode on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to use the split screen mode on your Android device. So the first thing you need to do here is make sure you've turned on the split screen mode and your device supports it. Go ahead and open up settings menu, and then from here, you want to just scroll down all the way here until you find advanced features. Then from here, you want to go to multi-window, and then make sure that your split screen is turned on. So currently I've turned on the swipe for pop-up view, but you can swipe for split screen if you turn this off. On full screen and split screen view, you can just go ahead and turn this other settings on. So what happens is you can hide the status and navigation bars so that you can see more of each app. You can swipe down from the bottom or the top of the screen to show the hidden bars. Now to access the split screen view, it's quite easy. What you have to do is go to your recent apps, tap on the app that you want to view on split screen, tap on the app icon at the top. It might be different depending on the device you have, but on Samsung it's just like this. Then you can tap on open in split screen view. Now the app will be viewed on split screen and you can select any other app that you want to view at the bottom of your other half of the screen. So let's just do my files over here, something that's already open, just like so. And you can use these screens separately, so you can even readjust the size, and you can easily browse through your apps and files over here. This is the first method. The other thing that you can do is, so let me just quickly make it full screen. Go to the recent apps, just like this. Now tap and hold on the app right here. You can drag it at the top or at the bottom to open here on the split screen view. So let's say if I want to open at the bottom, you can just do that and open any other app here as well. So I'll just open Play Store on the top part of my screen. So that's how you can use the split screen view on your Android device. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.